Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They're called mini-splits because they're smaller versions of traditional central air conditioning systems, known as split systems, which have an outdoor compressor, condenser unit and an indoor air handler. The air handler might be placed in its own small closet or hidden behind sheetrock.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ductless air conditioner installation costs. A ductless mini-split air conditioning system costs $2,000 to $14,500 with an average of $3,000 for a 12,000 BTU system. A 1-ton unit with one outdoor and one indoor component at 21 SEER rating runs $1,000 to $4,000 depending on the brand and type of indoor mount.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When it comes to effectively heating individual rooms or zones within a home, mini-split systems are highly effective. This efficiency has to do with the individual air handling units that are placed within a given room or area in the home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.